Okay, it's recording
Okay.
now.
Well, okay, so welcome to the
Andrea and Jocelyn show.
Yep. And I'm Andrea.
And I'm Jocelyn.
And we're both 14. So yeah, this is our first video.
Comments help. Yep.
Yeah, and subscribers.
Whatever that means. No one knows what that means. Whatever.
Basically what we do is just do a show to keep you people entertained. If you guys don't like us, whatever, don't view us anymore. But yeah, I don't know, we're pretty cool chicks. And we're gonna have, every time we have a show, we do this every week. I don't know, next week we'll have school, but who cares? She'll probably be over at my house anyway.
Most likely.
Most likely, yeah. And
or she'll come pick me up in her car.
And then
we have a special guest.
His name is Steve-O. He's pretty chill.
Asian.
Yeah, he's pretty chill.
Hi, Steve-O.
And he plays guitar and piano. And he's pretty amazing. Yeah.
That's your question.
That's a trick question.
Gap.
Ring a ting ting.
Yeah.
I love Demi Lovato though.
I hate Miley Cyrus. The 7th thing I want to, young monk to Gap. I don't even know. Whatever.
Yeah. She forgets to wear her retainer.
Andrea.
What? I'm wearing mine.
You're lying.
I know. But I don't feel like wearing mine right now. Because I just ate.
And we friggin' picked through garbage for our retainers.
Yeah.
But it got us out of class, so
whatever, you know.
Yeah.
And
my legs are really hairy.
So, besides that, what are your likes, Jocelyn?
Demi Lovato. Madrina. The Hills. My dislikes? Miley Cyrus.
Miley Cyrus. I like Joan.
Wait, her name isn't even really Miley Cyrus. Why is she gonna lie about that? Retard. Okay.
Oh, and like, why did she lie whenever the girl interviewed her, and then she's like, so I heard that people and the news are saying that Miley Cyrus and Nick Jonas are going out, and then Miley's like, no, we're just best friends. Actually, he's just my neighbor.
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah, best friends with benefits.
I think her name was like Beverly or something. I don't know. Yeah,
whatever.
She's like freaking retarded. I don't even know, whatever. She needs to stop lying.
Okay, so anyway,
everyone knows she's in Montana.
My likes is Jonas Brothers, Paul, Joe, and Kevin.
Paul
Kevin, that's his first name, sorry. Kevin is his middle name. And then Joe, and then Joe and Nick. You're like, Paul. That's his first name. Okay.
My favorite movie is Juno. And I love Pauly Bleeker. I love him so much, I put deodorant on my legs. I do. So, yeah. And I love Orange Tic Tacs. Actually, I really don't. I like the, light green.
Fudge and crackers.
Okay. Sorry about that malfunctioning.
We had some technical
difficulties.
You saw that one?
What?
You saw that one?
PC?
No. We had some technical difficulties.
Okay, whatever. I love the Lizzie McGuire movie.
Ew, I just don't like Hilary Duff.
Me either. I just like that movie though.
Yeah.
How did the camera even fall?
I don't know.
Whatever. Okay.
Are we going green?
Going green, girl, sister.
We going green?
We're going grind.
You gonna get
That's a cool switch. This teeth doesn't work.
She talking about saving trees?
But she writing this stuff, and we just borrowed wine.
Yeah.
Love life. I hate Mr. Chink. I mean Mr. Chink.
Mr. Chink.
I can't stand him.
Me neither. So yeah, people, this is our first video, and please comment. And if you want us to make more,
comment.
And if you want us to make more, comment. Okay. Peace for now, I guess.
I can't believe it's still recording.